Hey everybody, how's it going? Mr. J here again for video number 4. In video number 4, we're going to talk about changing in between chords to help make a song come to life on our own. One thing that can be challenging for beginning ukulele learners is understanding when to change chords, how to get them to fit together, and today we're going to do that with the Hokey Pokey. I know it's a simple song, but it's a fun one, and we get to move around with our ukulele. So, when we start, we're going to be starting on our blue chord. And if you don't know blue or red as chords on our ukulele neck, then you'll want to go back and watch videos 2 and 3 to learn about those chords. But here at video 4, we're going to talk about changing between them for the Hokey Pokey. We're starting here at our blue dots. Remember, we went pointer first, middle across, thumb stays on the back, no peeking out like this where thumb wants to come out and play like, hey you guys, how's it going? It's like, nope, thumb, you're on the back. So, when we have our blue chord, pointer, middle goes across, we're going to start singing Hokey Pokey here, but at a very important point, we're going to change to our red chord. So let's start singing Hokey Pokey, strumming on blue. You put your right foot in, you take your right foot out. You put your right foot in, and you... Everyone, when you hear the word shake, we need to shake things up and move on over to red. And let's finish up playing with red now. And you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all What do we end on to get back to our home base for bout? We have to go back to blue. So let's sing it. That's what it's all Pointer goes up top, middle goes across. Bout. Let's sing it again. Let's do it with our ukulele. You put your ukulele in. You take your ukulele out. You put your ukulele in. And you, there's our word shake. We'll go over to red. Shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's when we go back to, what's our home base? Blue. There we go. Blue. Awesome job. Let's do one more with our whole self. We're going to strum on blue, get our fingers back in position, pointer up top, middle goes across. Here we go. You put your whole self in. You take your whole self out. You put your whole self in. And you, there's our word shake. Over to red. Shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's when we go back to, what was our home base? Where did we start? That's right, blue. Blue. Awesome job. Remember, we go back home to blue, and that's what it's all about. But we go to red when we say, and you shake. All right, so when we play songs, it's important to remember those words, because if we remember those words, we don't need to read any music. We don't need to practice counting our strums. We just strum to the beat until we get to that part. All right. And if it's hard for you to get moving from blue over to red and back over to blue, that's a-okay. That's totally all right. That's why we practice. So I want you to sit with a friend. I want you to practice with a neighbor. Find somebody that you can work well with, and I want you to try to show them how you play it. Try to remind each other. We move to red at shake it all about. And then we come back to blue for that's what it's all blue. Practice with a friend and feel free to practice as much as you want before we go on to the next video. Have fun, guys.